Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Real quickly, if you're new here, this channel is all about searching the internet. We look for the best work from home jobs available and share them on a daily basis, normally sharing multiple job leads a day. So make sure you're subscribed, have those notifications turned on if you never want to miss anything. And of course, if you're interested in applying to anything I share, the links to the pages that I share are always in the YouTube description box below. Today's job lead, however, is from the well-known university, Purdue University. You may have seen ads on TV or heard about them, but they are hiring a global data entry administrative clerk. Now, this is going to be a part-time position. It is remote within the United States only, and they are not requiring any kind of college degree, even though they are a university. But they are basically looking for somebody to be responsible for data entry of transcripts or other data related to the office of the registrar. So the student's registration information. You'll be accountable for compiling, verifying, processing, and maintaining the record keeping of various types of information. So you'll perform the preparation, data entry, verification, and editing of confidential data. This may include students' name, address, information, the classes they are registered for. You'll create, maintain, and purge specified data files and logs as required, making individual mass corrections and modifications where needed. You'll extract and release information according to specified criteria in their strict compliance guidelines, and you'll perform limited data analysis, reviewing all the data that you have and making sure it is cohesive. Now, again, they do not require any kind of college degree. Of course, it's always preferred, but only a high school diploma is required, and somebody who has 0 to 2 years of some kind of clerical office work or data entry experience. Now, they do need somebody who has a computer knowledge in Microsoft Office, like Excel, somebody who can have a high accuracy level, attention to detail, someone who can work independently because this is a work from home job, and of course, you need to be able to meet your deadline and be excellent with your communication skills. Now, this is a part-time position and it is paying $15 an hour. They do not list the actual hours you will be expected to work. That will need to be discussed at the time of the interview. All right, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I'm always reading those and keeping that in mind. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.